Hello everyone.
Hi guys.
I'm here with a professional and we're going to be doing a hair and makeup training today. So sisters, please share this video, and if you're trying to learn to make up, you can start with this video so you know if this is for you. And this is a professional and she'll introduce
Hello.
herself.
So this is the hair I'll be using for the video. So this hair, I'm gonna install the hair, style it on her hair, then I can do the makeup as well. So yeah, let's get started guys. Sister, you have to do sexy face for them. Yeah. Hello. Hi. Hello everyone.
I've got this bush.
Hello everyone.
Women team.
Yeah. Yes, it's fine, don't worry. You have a pretty face, don't need to worry about.
Thank you.
Yes, you're already popping guys. She's popping. This is the frontal, as you can tell, frontal wig. So I'm going to cut the excess out. So this makes the front look natural because no one's hair looks this perfect. So there, so they can see. Make sure the hair is perfectly laid like so before you even cut the excess. So I'm going to pin again. Pin this one like so. Everything is pinned away. So I'm going to do the same to the other side until here. Got to be. It's very good. It helps the hair stick down very well. So just spray this lace frontal for those of you who don't know. So this is a lace frontal. The difference between the lace frontal and a closure is a frontal, the lace is from ear to ear. While a closure, the lace is just in the middle. With a frontal, you can do versatile style. You can do a lot of styles because there's a lace all over, so you can part your hair anywhere you want. Like the one I'm wearing is a lace frontal. That's why I'm able to part middle part, side part, wherever. And it lays more flat as well because there's no closure, making the hair high. So this one is the most popular one at the moment for bridals, for events, and because you can do baby hair as well with this one. So yeah, lace is out guys. Look at that. Lace is out. Look at the hair. This is how she was born guys. She wake up like this. This is her real hair.
This is the real me.
This is her real hair as well. This is how she wake up every day. The next step is to apply got2b. I apply more on this side. This is the side where it kind of lifts very quickly, so you apply a lot at this end. This can last you a week, you know, if you tie the front before you go to bed.
Nice to see you on live. I watched your YouTube video.
Oh, hello. So at this point, I'm gonna wipe the excess. I'm gonna tie this very tight, very tight, because by the time you take it out, this is gonna help the frontal to lay. We'll have to cut this hair to give it some curls, make it look popping. Okay. What you would do is I use razor to do the brows. Now I'm gonna take the excess out. You see how the face will look different. You see, she's already popping. Brows makes people pop. Don't need anything, just do your brows and you're good. This is Makeup Magnesia. You can buy this in any pharmacy, but you have to buy sugar-free one. Sugar-free is good for oil control. Controls the oil. What I do with foundation is this. I'm using Lancome. This one is Lancome Tint Idol. This is 131. The 131 is dark, as you can tell, but there's a way I used to do it. I used to mix it in between. So this is 131, and this one is 08. 08 is a bit too light as well, if you notice. See? So what I do, I mix them together. You'll see what I'm gonna do now. So both of them, I'm gonna mix them together. Lancome. So I use Lancome and I use MAC as well. Those are my favorite foundation. I use more of MAC, but I tend to use Lancome once in a while as well because it's good. It gives you that natural coverage as well. So let's swatch. Look, you see it's better than the darker one. So this is what I do. So this is a lighter foundation. So I'm going to make her under eye, lift it up. So this, because it's lighter than her other color, the foundation I use, it's going to kind of brighten her under eye. And highlighting under the eyes awakens the face. If you're tired, if you do this, your face is going to be awakened. So this is very important for that glamorous look. You have to do this step. Nose, forehead. See, so I'm going back and blending it out. You're not supposed to leave it like so. You just go back and blend it out. Banana powder is what I love to use to set, because it's that powder. You guys should know that that's benign banana powder. It's this color. So yeah, yes, I'm gonna set. I like to use a wedge. So this is when you hear people say baking. This is a baking process. So I like to go under the cheek as well, to just bring the cheek out by applying powder under. This stage, people look funny, but don't worry, they're gonna look even more popping later. Don't be like, oh my god, what's all that powder? Yeah, this is cooking. We're cooking her face. Okay, cooking and baking her face. Setting is very important with makeup. If you don't set, your makeup is gonna run. This is why sometimes when people do their makeup, before they get to the bus stop, their makeup is already run, because they did not apply powder. So applying powder on your foundation is very important. Make sure you don't skip that step. People always ask me, oh, do they really need powder after their foundation? Yes, you do. If you want your makeup to last all day, especially when it's sunny, you definitely need powder on top. Powder. So that's contouring now. Contouring. Brows time.
Eyebrows time. So guys, let's do this.
Yes, because we're not going to be talking, guys, because when we do brows, we shouldn't move, we don't talk, we don't even breathe. Okay, we hold our breath. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So now I'm going to let my sis just stay still, because I'm using Rimmel brow pencils, by the way. So this is Rimmel. I have the darker one, which is the black brown. So this is a dark brown and black brown. I love to use the two because I use one to outline and I use one to fill. So this is the black brown. I like to use the black brown to outline, like a guideline for me as well, so I don't go past here. The banana powder stop. Yeah, so we're gonna conceal. This is a lighter conceal. Yeah, let's see. Look at that. So now, for the beginning, I'm going to go with the foundation color that I use. So this is the darker one now. For this beginning here. This is the Sahara by Juvia's. I think everyone knows this Juvia's place. They have a lot of palette. This is the Sahara palette. I think I would love to use one palette so I don't end up using different things, so that if you want to recreate this look, you know for sure that if you buy this palette, you can recreate this look. Because I have a lot of palette. If I start using green from the other one, black from the other one, then it's going to be confusing. So I'm going to start with this color first. This color I'm going to apply down on the crease. This is out. See? So as you apply, you blend. As you apply, you blend. So the same to the other side. So now I'm going to use the darker one. This one here. Again here. This is the darker one. This shiny part go shimmery, so I'm going to apply that here. See? Oh, she's popping, guys. She's popping. Then you just go and put them on top of each other, just so. Liner. This is Ignite liner again, the darkest of them all. So this is where you blend. This is when you bring all your skills out. So this is just a way of defining the face. Because that's where you blend everything. See all those banana powder I applied before?
It's all gone. The face is looking cute.
Even that thing that is poking out there, I think it has minimized.
It's even disappeared.
Wow, sis, you're popping. You are popping. Wow.
See?
Something. I should be lying to you, but I know. One surgeon just came here and left.
Yeah, the beautician shake. Surgeon just left. Look at the color of the eyeshadow. It's beautiful.
Very nice.
Yeah, nice of a beautiful peacock.
Important. So if you do your makeup and you notice that down the eye is not popping, you just go back with this, the color that you use on the eye. Yeah.
I need to take myself out today. It's like this.
You know.
I look too beautiful.
Because you like this one came to. See, she's glowing to the gods. Yes. Yeah. So now, lippy time. Because of the eyes, I'm gonna do a natural lid, guys. So I'm gonna do brown liner. I'm gonna put a little pink gloss. This brown liner is from MAC as well, chestnut, but you don't need to buy MAC, guys. There's a lot of brown liners out there, £1. There's MUA, they have browns. Sometimes you just want to do natural lip. So yeah, it's always good to use brush for your lipstick because it helps you to apply it where you want to. Otherwise, it's gonna be all over the place. And when it's all over the place, it looks messy. Remember, brush is good. And to be honest, apart from that as well, for health and safety as well, brush is good. And at least for two reasons: health and safety.
Yeah, always use brush because you can always clean the brush.
And again, it helps you to apply it nicely. So why not? Yeah. So guys, oh wow, it is beautiful. Honestly, okay. Turn it out. Every tighten. So guys, moment of truth. Let's take this hair down. First of all, we're gonna take this down. This is the frontal that we laid before. Yeah. So you see. You see?
Wow.
So when you take that out, don't forget to go back and blend that corner. It's very important because you know when I was doing the foundation, it was tied, so the foundation did not touch there. You can go back with powder. Just this hair is not fake. This is her real hair.
I just blend it into my real hair.
This is her real hair. I don't want anybody to say that's fake. She was born like so.
This is the real me. This is my real face.
Yes, sir. I'm going to find one bear. I'm going to go to Eventbrite.
I'll look for a place for me.
Yes, even though you have to pay, I don't mind.
Please, sisters, I need to go somewhere today.
I'll go to Eventbrite. The frontal, guys. Frontal is laid. Frontal is laid to the guard. So now we're going to bring out the hair that we pinned out before.
This one will put 30 billion
in my account.
30 billion.
If the queen see, like, queen will like, please. If queen see you, like, queen will like, please, you guys should just put 30 billion in that baby's account. She's too much. Guys, I kind of like the color too. It's nice. Instead of just black.
Yeah.
Yes, so yeah. And this hair, guys, is from Asteriah Hair. Asteriah Hair. So Asteriah Hair sponsored this hair as well, this video. So yes, guys.
You see, sisters, people are sponsoring us.
Yes, Asteriah Hair. So they provided this hair for us to show you guys how to do this. So yeah.
So when you're starting your business, you can start with them, knowing that
Yeah.
these people, they are very good.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, wow, sis, I cannot even walk with you on the street. Never. I cannot. Not today. I can't walk with you. I cannot walk with
Wow.
you. Maybe another day I can walk with you. Not today.
Even me, I'm even wondering if I can walk myself
Is
to the
it?
streets. I need the red carpet.
Oh my God, this. Yeah. So guys, so sometimes you can just. Oh wow, sis. She's popping. Popping. She's slay. So guys, see what I say? If you put the rollers on while you're doing your makeup, when you finish, it's gonna set properly. Otherwise, you're not gonna get that bouncy nice color. Remember, it's a straight hair, so it came straight. Oh yeah, guys, we're almost getting to the end of the video. Thank you all for tuning in. Do not forget,
sisters, for watching.
Yeah.
This is really.
So if you want to see the edited version as well, it's going to be on my YouTube.
Yeah.
Just so, because that one is going to be more clear and more detailed as well.
Okay. Tell them. Think of the name for them.
Yes, guys, the edited version of this makeup is going to be on my YouTube. It's the Beautician Chick on YouTube, because the camera is going to be more clearer and you can see more, because we're using a digital camera for the YouTube. So if you want to see the edited version, it's going to be on my YouTube channel, guys, the Beautician Chick. So yeah,